Hello YouTube, this is the Parts Taurus and it is all parted out for the most part. Still need a few parts taken off of it, but right now I still need it to run and drive. Here is the fixed Taurus and it's got a problem. It has an oil light on for low oil pressure. Now that could be just the switch, or it could be something more serious like an oil pump, but it also leaks oil. So this car went from a great fix to it could be a disaster. So I'm not exactly sure what I should do with this thing right now. So from now on, I am absolutely not going to buy anything even close to being an old car. Only low mileage, rust-free cars. Nothing even close to having any possibility of a problem. I'm going to go for cars like my MKZ and newer. Because once you get into older cars like this, they tend to have a lot of old car problems. They have components failing, and usually you need to change out brakes and struts. And they don't go for all that cheap either, because there's so many people at the auction who are just looking for a super cheap car for a few $100s, and that brings the price up. So this is not a good market to be in the super cheap car range. So if I don't fix this, I am going to lose big money on this car. I'm sure Uberman is already laughing in the comments, but like I said, I am not buying a cheap car again. So this thing's going to get completely parted out. You see it still has a few parts on it that I need to pull out. I still need the seat, the airbags, alternator, wheels and tires of course, and what other valuables there might be on this, which are not many. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to let me know if you have any suggestions on what to do with this Taurus now. And be sure to check out my Instagram at Cookie Repair Projects, and I will see you in the next video.